Good morning, Primary 1. We're here to complete the spelling test on the th sound, the TH sound. So remember that all of our words have these two letters at the beginning, at the end. Let's get started. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. You will need a pencil, rubber, and paper. It doesn't matter to me if you're using the printed paper from me or a piece of paper in your notebook. If you're writing in your notebook, remember to write the title, the date, and you'll need the numbers 1 to 10, and as well a space for the bonus at the bottom. So let's get started, shall we? Number 1, walk to the north to find the treasure. Number 1, write the word north. Number 1, north. Number 2, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Write the word Thursday, Thursday. Now remember, with days of the week, they need to have capital letter, Thursday. 3, the duck is having a bath. 3, bath. The duck is having a bath. Bath. Number 4, the next month will be May. The next month will be May. Number 4, month. Number 5, what do you think? I'm asking a question. What do you think? Number 5, think. Number 5, think. 6, the dog has 3 heads. 3. Number 6, the number 3. 7, look at the tooth fairy. Tooth fairy. Number 7, tooth. Number 8, the boy is tall and thin. The boy is tall and thin. Number 8, thin. The superhero is named Thing. The superhero is named Thing. Number 9, thing. 10, in the south you can find Mas Palomas. Number 10, south. Number 10, south. The bonus, the girl has short hair and pink shoes. The girl has short hair and pink shoes. Great work, everybody. Now, if you've finished and ready to correct, find a colored pencil or marker and let's get ticking. Number 1, walk to the north to find the treasure. Number 1, north. Number 1, north. Number 2, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Number 2, Thursday. Remember, it needs a capital letter to be correct. Thursday. Thursday. Number 3, the duck is having a bath. Bath, bath. Who doesn't love Daffy Duck? Number 4, the next month will be May. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month. Number 5, what do you think? Number 5, think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Number 5, think. Number 6, the dog has 3 heads. Number 6, 3. Number 6, 3. Number 7, look at the tooth fairy. Tooth, Tooth. Number 8, the boy is tall and thin. Tall and thin, Thin. Number 9, the superhero is named Thing, Thing, Thing. The last one before the bonus, in the south you can find Mas Palomas. Number 10, south. Number 10, south. And the bonus was a longer one this time because we're getting really good. The girl has short hair and pink shoes. Did you get it? The girl has pink hair. The girl has short hair and pink shoes. Good work. Now you can play the Kahoot. I've copied the game pin there. I've also put it on the website so you can find the link there. I'm so proud of everybody for working so hard. Keep up the great work. Now let's go to the new spellings. Here you can find the new spellings. Hello Primary 1. We're going to practice writing the numbers with words this week. This is not how we normally do spelling. We don't normally have a topic. We normally have a sound. So some of these follow the sound words. Some of these we can sound out, like 10, t, e, n. And some of them don't. Some of them you have to just memorize. Like for example, 8. You can't hear the 8 sounds in those. So here we go. The first one is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Some of these we've practiced because when we were learning the sounds, they worked. For example, we've had 3 already because 3 follows the EE sound we've learned and the TH sound we've learned, the th sound. So some of them we've seen before, some of them are new. We've used them all when we need to write our sentences or when we're talking about how many eyes the monster had, for example. But we're going to practice those so that they're really strong so we don't forget them. The next activity will be the spelling test on Tuesday, May the 5th. We do have a bit of a shorter week. You only have to practice your words on Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Monday. And then you're going to write the 3 sentences using your spellings as always. Time for joke of the day. What happens when monkeys get hungry? They go bananas. And that's funny because bananas means to go crazy. Let's go bananas.